Thank you guys for hanging in there for Vlogmas with me. And I got a special guest, one of my favorite people on this planet, Miss Capri.
Hi guys.
Welcome to Cocktails with Capri. That could be a whole
That would be
segment.
cute.
But you don't drink enough. You don't drink enough. So y'all, we wanted to do a cocktail video because I know a lot of you will be hosting for the holidays. So we wanted to make sure that we gave you something to zhuzh up your party. So we have two different recipes. Yours is called
Capri and rosemary.
Very elegant, very bougie.
Capri and rosemary.
Mine is just a snowman. But that's what it's called. It's called Frosty the Snowman.
Oh, I don't have a, mine doesn't have a name. We'll think about it as we make it.
As we make it and we taste it, something will come to you. So mine's called Frosty the Snowman, and we're gonna give Capri's another name. So we made a nice little board for you all because you know you never want to drink on an empty stomach. Be responsible.
Absolutely. Pour in a cup of cranberry juice. I messed up and forgot to pick up the cranberry juice. So this is something of the cranberry-esque.
There you go, it's in the cranberry family.
It's in the cranberry family. So I'm just gonna eyeball it, but this is like a cup. Okay.
I bet you because it's cran, pineapple is gonna be really good.
I'm pretty sure.
Anything with pineapple is right up my alley.
Then we're gonna get the whiskey. This is one of my favorite whiskeys. I really like the rye, but I feel like the rye would be too pungent for you. So we're gonna go with the basic bullet bourbon. So I'm gonna do, cause I like my drinks heavy.
Do you?
I do when I do drink.
Okay.
When I do
get it done.
Get it done. Actually, this is how Knox came.
Well, maybe I did
that
drink some.
Oh yes.
Okay, make me a double.
Okay. No, for real though. I drank this the night that I conceived my child, and I blame this. 2 jiggers of this is what my grandma used to call it. A jigger.
Do it until the ancestors tell you to stop.
Yeah. I'm probably gonna do 4.
Yeah, because you make it 2 glasses.
Yeah, I
right?
forgot. Yeah.
Come on, over pour. I like how the bartenders do. They pour it and then they keep pouring.
They keep pouring. I love an over pour. Okay, so I made my own rosemary simple syrup. So all I did was boil 1 cup sugar to 1 cup water, and then I steeped rosemary leaves into it.
And I don't know if you know this, but you're supposed to roll your rosemary to bring out the...
Make it pungent.
Make it pungent.
Yeah.
I learned something today.
So I'm just gonna eyeball this again and pour it into a mixture. Oops. I think that's enough.
A little garnish in there.
A little garnish. I'll get it out. Let's just twist it and mix it.
Why am I excited to try this?
I don't know, me too. I hope it's good.
I do too. I don't know if you guys, it is. Y'all, another thing, I have to show y'all her setup. Isn't this cute? She put a rosemary leaf in there, if you can see it, some ice, and there's cranberries at the bottom. And you have this little globe for your guests so that they can pour when they're ready.
Yes, when they're ready.
You so strong.
I'm like Herculina.
Not Herculina.
I'm gonna put 4 rinse. Okay. So let's pour it in here. I really think that this is only gonna make 1.
It tastes like...
Frank, you gotta taste it. Where's the spoon?
With the rosemary.
Yeah.
Okay.
Isn't that good?
No, that is good.
Isn't that good?
That's really good.
I wasn't expecting it to be like that.
Me either. And the rosemary's not like overbearing.
It's overpowered, because I really didn't steep it for long. It said 30 minutes.
But you got the taste of it.
Yeah.
For sure.
Okay, let's... Cheers, guys. Happy holidays. Here's your cocktail.
Thank you.
Here's mine.
Cute.
So cute. Hold on, I gotta take a picture of this. All right.
The moment of truth.
This is why I hope it's good, because I did not measure.
Hey, we poured until the ancestors told us to stop. So.
Okay.
Cheers. Cheers. I like it.
This is good.
I like it. I like the pineapple in it.
But it's not like so sugary.
But you had the simple syrup.
Yeah.
You can always add more simple syrup because it's just pretty much sugar if you want to make it sweeter.
I will say that whiskey is very potent because it's hard. They go hard.
I mean, I taste the whiskey, but it's not potent.
I don't drink. That's just what it is.
My palate might be a little different.
Your palate is very
Advanced. It's mature.
sophisticated. Let's just put it that way. I could drink this for the holidays.
So rate it, scale of 1 to 10.
Okay. Presentation, 10 out of 10.
100%.
Taste, for me, I would say an 8.7 out of 10.
Okay.
Because I didn't want to taste my alcohol. But I put like 5 shots in there, so.
I would say
What about you?
presentation for sure is 11.
Yeah.
I give you an 11.
Come on, 11.
Because I like the globes on top with the cranberries on the inside. That's very, very cute. So I give the presentation 11.
Okay.
For a scale of 1 to 10 on taste, I give it an 8.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna say, only because I don't taste the bourbon in it.
Okay, well then taste mine. See if mine is just stronger.
Maybe.
No, I taste it.
I don't taste it. But those are the best drinks because the ones, they're gonna sneak up on you.
Yeah,
They're
like,
gonna
I
sneak up
taste
on
the
you.
bourbon in yours too.
Do
so.
you? I like it though. I do like it.
And I love the rosemary aspect. That's like so sophisticated.
I love the rosemary.
Yeah.
I think probably the only reason why I'm really leaving it 8 is because I'm just not the biggest cranberry person.
Oh, yeah.
But the fact that you put pineapple, I like it.
Yeah.
So actually, I'll give it an 8.5.
Okay.
I give it 8.5. I give it 8.5.
Okay, so that's high. So let's see what yours is giving.
That's high. That's really high.
I'm gonna call her St. Catherine.
I can see that she's very mature. Cranberry, I don't know.
mature.
Cranberry is in the rosemary is giving.
You know, there's like the St. Rose. I think there's like I'm gonna call her St. Catherine. Just put.
There you go.
You know,
St. Catherine is
St.
what we're gonna
Catherine
call
is what we're
her.
gonna call her.
Take her to your next party. Your people like if they like cranberry, if they like bourbon.
It's really good.
It's really good. It is good. I'm gonna make Frosty the Snowman. I will insert the clip in the recipe somewhere over here. 4 of these, since we're making 2.
Is that the 1 ounce?
This is the 1 outside. Oh, and this is just a vanilla rum.
Oh, that's 1 1/4 ounce. Gotcha.
Yeah, that's why yours might have been a little heavier.
Yeah, I did the bigger side.
Mm-hmm. Oops. That's how the bartenders do it. Battery died, but we're back. Okay, so how many did I just pour?
2.
2, okay. So I need 2 more ounces of the vanilla rum. 1, 2, and a little splash for your health.
I'm dead.
It's a little extra, you know, cause I'm extra. Then you need the peppermint schnapps. Peppermint schnapps. I don't know why that word stumps me. It's like schnapps.
Just schnapps.
Yeah. It smells good. It smells like actual
Your
peppermint.
breath won't stink if you drink this drink.
At all. 1.
Please don't pour nothing extra that.
No, I'm not. 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then we need same amount of blue curacao, blue stuff,
Caraco. That's what we're gonna call it today.
She already call it curacao, so I'm gonna call it curacao.
She be knowing.
She knows, and she knows. So when we have the same equal parts, it's equal parts of everything, so it makes it really simple. 1. This is what makes it frosty blue. 2, 3, and 4. And then you need a lemon lime soda. Sprite is what we're using. Add as much Sprite to taste. It said like 10 ounces, so we're just gonna pour until it gets a little full. All right there. We're gonna line our cup with candy cane sprinkles. So we lined our glasses with simple syrup and just crushed up candy canes as you saw. And it looks so cute. I like it already. All right, y'all. Shake it. Oh, shoot.
What happened?
That's what I get for doing them up.
Oh no.
It started spilling. We're gonna make sure it's closed and on there really good. There we go. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it.
Oh shit. I'm over here working, you over here playing.
I'm over here shaking. I think she is shaking. Okay, there we go. That's what it is. It pops open because of the soda.
Yeah.
It's not me. It's the drink.
I think it's both.
That's what we're gonna call it. And here is the moment of truth. Let me pour mine first so I don't miss it.
Put that back on.
Put it.
And then open it.
I forgot that's what that's for. The strain.
Yeah.
Oh, I should have just put ice in this. Clearly, I don't make cocktails right. I just pour.
We both did.
It's alright though.
We're gonna figure it out together.
The moment
I don't have
of
no
truth.
space without the peppermint.
You do. You just knock some over.
Right.
Just shuffle that.
Shuffle it over.
All right.
Ooh, this.
What?
I'm so sorry. It smells like.
It smells like medicine.
It does. It's pretty.
It should give it peppermint.
Okay, let's do this. I think I'm psyching myself out because of the vodka. I just do not like vodka.
It's not vodka. It's rum.
I do not like clear liquor.
It smells like pepper. It don't smell like medicine. Not to me.
I'm not gonna smell it because I'm just gonna drink it. I know it's gonna be good. It's just my mind is telling me that.
Don't say so, but
Okay.
think about the bullet.
Okay. Which bullet?
The one you used in the video.
Oh, the alcohol bullet.
There you
Okay.
go.
Okay.
Peppermint chips on your lip. So note to self, I would say if you're making this for a party, just do one side.
Yeah.
Doing it all the way around, as cute as it is, if you're not a big peppermint person, but I like it.
It's not bad.
Mm-mm.
It doesn't taste how it smells.
Mm-mm.
Actually, I like this actually.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I would say this: if you don't like peppermint, don't make this.
Yeah.
It's very pepperminty, but it's perfect for the holidays.
And it's perfect that if you know somebody that suffers with halitosis, make them.
Get out! Get out!
No tea, no shade. No tea, no shade, guys. No
But
tea, no
if you
shade.
got a friend that has halitosis, little gingivitis,
Some people suffer with it, you know, and sometimes they don't know that they suffer with it, but you know that they suffer with it. You know, be like, oh, girl, I got this perfect drink for you, and make them a frosty snowman.
make them a frosty snowman, and
Smell my breath. Let me smell it. It smells minty
Let me
fresh.
see. Do you? You blew down, blow up. It actually smells good.
It smells good. It does not stink.
It doesn't stink. And there are some drinks that will make your breath stink. This is not that drink.
This is why you don't crust up.
That's why. This is why you be kind to your guests. Unless it's the friend with halitosis, then you line her whole round.
I feel bad for saying that, but
No,
I know a few people that have a little that suffer with a little bit of halitosis.
So let's
Okay.
rate. Okay. So I will say this. Presentation wise, my drink is not as pretty as hers. So I'm not gonna give mine an 11. I'm gonna be realistic. I would say presentation wise, I give it an 8.
Yeah, I'll give it an 8 too.
I give it an 8. I'll probably make it cuter, you jazz it up some kind of way, but right now I give her an 8 for presentation. For taste, I give it an 8. I give it an 8. I'm not like, girl, pour.
Yeah.
But I would definitely finish my glass if I was at a party. I would for sure finish my glass. Because it's good.
It is good. I would honestly give it a 9. Because I like how it is sweet, but I don't taste the alcohol. I think that's one of the reasons why. Like, I do not taste alcohol.
You're right.
I taste the minty freshness.
I like the minty.
Yeah, I'm with you with the presentation. Like, it's just cute colors. but that's it.
It's the
but you could, it definitely has like potential to like maybe put a candy cane in it.
Yeah, you could hang a candy cane in it or on the side of it.
Or like just a stick or something. There's something you can do with it. But yeah, I'm gonna give it a 9.
I respect that.
I'm about to deduct some points because of this damn rim, but
let's wipe it out. We can get you a tap and make room.
I think I want to drink it.
Make room.
But I keep getting molested by
molested by the peppermint.
Peppermint.
Out of the two, if someone said we have Jack Frost on the menu or we have the Lady Catherine.
St. Catherine.
St. Catherine, excuse me.
I'm gonna choose St. Catherine. But that's because I'm a whiskey girl. But if you had me try it, I would probably go with this. If I try both of them, I'm like, I think I'm gonna go with the Frosty. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll be honest, I'd probably go with the St. Catherine too.
Really?
I think I would. I like it. Don't get me wrong. I like it.
Yeah.
I don't know. The peppermint.
I think it's the peppermint.
It's very pepperminty.
Should we do a part 2, guys?
Part 2?
Yeah, let's find like a different one.
We gotta find some 10s.
We gotta find some 10s, and then I'm gonna measure it for real.
No, your ancestors told you right because it was good.
It really was good.
It was really good. Either way, you can't go wrong with either drink. But we definitely I think we're gonna do a part 2. We're gonna find you 2 more cocktails, and we're gonna find you some 10s. But
10s across the board. 10s. I don't know how she do it.
I don't know how she did it. I was like, I don't know the ad-libs. She's like, if you like this video, you guys, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more cocktails with Capri, even if she won't do it, I'll put it on my channel. Just always happy when I'm making cocktails. I'm making cocktails for Capri.
I know what you're doing.
Cocktails for Capri. Since she's not a drinker, I'm determined to find her a 10. A 10 drink.
Oh my God, that'd be so good.
I'm not gonna stop till I get a 10 from you, and I want an honest 10. Like,
okay, well, I gave you a 9. This is very high.
You did, but my goal is to find a drink that you would actually finish.
A glass of champagne.
We can make it fun.
What?
Gotta make a recipe.
You put champagne in anything, honey, I'm drinking it. Champagne and vodka, champagne and whiskey, champagne and Kool-Aid.
So you drink vodka with champagne?
You ain't never heard of the French 75?
Is that what that is? I didn't know.
Please zoom in as I walk away.
I didn't know. I've had them, but they're really good, but I didn't know the recipe.
I try a lot. It's not vodka, that's gin. The one that's vodka is a French 68, 67, 69. That's the one with vodka.
Okay.
French 75 is with gin.
Gotcha. So we're definitely gonna bring a part 2. I'm gonna find a 10, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys wanna see more of Capri, please sound off in the comments, because she has a channel and I want her to pick it back up. And she is. We got confirmations online. But in the meantime, between time, if you wanna see more cocktails with Capri or cocktails for Capri, let me know.
Yeah, let's just do a part 2, cocktails for Capri. We gotta figure out that drink I'm just gonna drink every time I come over.
Exactly, and I know we all have that one friend that, you know, maybe not be the biggest drinker, but we want to find something for them so they can feel included.
Yeah, you know, I want to get lady with the best of y'all, but I don't want to feel something the next day.
All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, again, like and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Bye.